Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about everything related to cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can buy cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been gaining more and more attention in recent years, and with that attention comes a growing number of people who are interested in buying it. Whether you're looking to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other type of cryptocurrency, it can be confusing to know where to start. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to buy cryptocurrency. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. The first step to buying cryptocurrency is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many different exchanges out there, and it's important to choose one that is reputable and secure. Some of the most popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing your name, email address, and a form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Step 3. Link a payment method. After you've created an account, you'll need to link a payment method to it. Most exchanges allow you to link a bank account, credit card, or debit card. It's important to note that some payment methods may have higher fees than others. Step 4. Place an order. Once your payment method is linked, you can place an order to buy cryptocurrency. You'll need to specify which cryptocurrency you want to buy and how much you want to spend. The exchange will then match you with a seller and facilitate the transaction. Step 5. Store your cryptocurrency. After you've bought cryptocurrency, it's important to store it in a secure wallet. Many exchanges offer their own wallets, but it's generally recommended to use a hardware wallet, which is a physical device that stores your cryptocurrency offline. This provides an extra layer of security against hackers and other threats. Step 6. Monitor your investment. Finally, it's important to monitor your investment and stay up to date on the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. The value of cryptocurrency can be highly volatile, so it's important to be aware of any major fluctuations in price. In conclusion, buying cryptocurrency can seem like a daunting task, but it's actually a relatively simple process. By following these steps and choosing a reputable exchange, you can invest in cryptocurrency with confidence. And remember, always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.